In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in Microsoft Edge browser. By the end, you'll know how to control which sites can use your location and how to temporarily simulate a different location for testing using Edge's built-in tools. First, let's manage site permissions. Open Microsoft Edge and head into Settings. From there, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Then open Site Permissions. Under All Permissions, choose Location. This page controls how websites ask for and use your location in Edge. If you want websites to prompt you before accessing location, make sure the setting is on so you'll see a request whenever a site needs your location. If there are specific sites you trust, you can allow them here so they won't ask every time. Likewise, if there are sites you don't want tracking where you are, add them to the block list. You can also clear existing decisions if you've previously allowed or blocked a site and want to start fresh. Remove it from the list so Edge will ask again next time. This is helpful if a site isn't behaving the way you expect. Keep in mind, Edge uses your device's underlying location services, so the accuracy can vary based on your hardware and settings. Now, let's look at how to simulate a different location for testing. This is great for developers or for previewing how location-based content might change. With Edge open on the page you want to test, press F12 to open Developer Tools. In the top right corner of the DevTools panel, click the three dots, choose More Tools, and then select Sensors. A Sensors panel will appear. Usually at the bottom, find the Geolocation section and switch it to a custom option. Enter the latitude and longitude for the place you want to simulate. Use decimal format, and remember that negative values represent west longitudes and south latitudes. After entering your coordinates, keep the DevTools window open. The override stays active only while DevTools is open and only for that tab. Reload the page if needed to let the site pick up the new location. When you are done, return the geolocation setting to No Override, or simply close DevTools to go back to your real location. That's it. You've learned how to allow, block, or clear website access to your location in Microsoft Edge, and how to override your geolocation with custom coordinates for testing. If this helped, consider revisiting your permissions occasionally to keep them aligned with your preferences. Thanks for watching.